Actually, some pretty nice plays.
Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, February 8th, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed after the mess we experienced on Friday. This was a pretty relaxing day, although the Dow fell at one point. Down here, it was down over 350 points. We only had one position coming in TVIX, which is the fear index. So that just got really good with this big fall. And so I'm sitting here and looking at basically one solid green position. I had two of these positions in the managed accounts. Everything was green, looked good. And then we got a reversal here. Yeah, look at this. Suddenly the Dow decides it's going to go higher, and it came back very strong from being down over 350 to down on the close 177. So hard to say what that all means. I will call it up for tomorrow, even though I really don't want it to go up. I mean, it going up is not going to improve our position because we're with TVIX, we're really betting on a lower market, but I'm not going to let wishful thinking creep in here on my prediction. This does look pretty much like a reversal. Now, I will tell you, with the Dow here, it did get back up over 16,000. If you're a bear, or well, it doesn't make any difference if you're a bear or a bull. Really the most critical area for this Dow is, well, here significantly, you see, we took out those lows that were back here like the 28th of January. I didn't like to really see those lows taken out, but the next stop after these lows down here that we made today would be about 15,400, and those are the lows that go way back to August 24th of last year. We take out those, and man, I don't know what's going to happen. I really don't. But it looked to me, at least today, like there's a lot of resistance to dropping down to those lows. And as I say, we are now actually over 16,000 again, and I'm calling it up for tomorrow. So we just have to see what's happening. But obviously, there's plenty of selling in these stocks. We only are holding two positions. We got into OVA Science on this rally, and then of course as soon as we got into it, it pulled back some, so that's not a winning position for us. But I'm glad we didn't get into any more long positions, because I do think this market is pretty shaky. I will show you TVIX here. Again, this is the fear index, and we had gotten into this Friday. Didn't do any spectacular close on Friday, but we got a good gap up this morning on this, and then it climbed and climbed and climbed all day, and up here we were up about to 11,000 positive. So I mean, a really good trade. But then of course when the Dow reverses, the fear index reverses also, and it came back quite a bit, but we're still showing $6,500 gain in TVIX. So we just have to see what happens. As I say, if the Dow follows my prediction and goes up, this is going to come down, unfortunately. But it's kind of a win-win situation for me, because if the Dow does go down, this is going to go back up, and we'll make quite a bit of money on that. Anyway, that's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.